In this video, we will learn the right way to nebulize. Nebulizer is a drug delivery device used to administer medication in the form of a mist to be inhaled into the lungs. Nebulizers are commonly used for the treatment of asthma, COPD, pneumonia, cystic fibrosis, and respiratory infections. Now we will discuss the steps of nebulizing process. Parts of nebulizer and nebulizer kit. Assemble the parts of nebulizer, the right way to nebulize, cleaning of nebulizer equipment, tips for effective nebulization. Parts of nebulizer: compressor, air outlet, filter, power switch. Parts of nebulizer kit are mouthpiece, adult face mask, child face mask, medicine chamber, medicine container, cap. How to assemble the nebulizer parts. Wash your hands prior to nebulize. Place the compressor on smooth surface. Connect one end of air tubing with compressor air outlet. Open the cap of medicine chamber. KZ nebulizing solutions are manufactured as per European quality standards in Italy. KZ offers atom nebulizer solution, clenil aerosol, and clenil compositum aerosol. Always use medication as per doctor's prescription. For now, we will use atom nebulizer solution. Tear the foil pack. Bend the monodose vial back and forth. Separate the monodose vial. Open the monodose vial by twisting the stopper. Gently squeeze the monodose vial content at prescribed dose in the medicine chamber. Saline solution can be added in the medication. Ensure 3 to 5 ml solution is in medicine chamber. In case of half-dose vial is used, vial can be closed by stopper in the upside down position. Segregation mark on the vial ensures dose accuracy. Connect other end of air tubing with medicine chamber. Attach mouthpiece or face mask with medicine chamber. Now nebulizer is ready for use. The right way to nebulize. Turn the compressor on and check the nebulizer for misting. Put the mouthpiece between teeth and close your lips around it. Assure deep breathing throughout the treatment. This allows the medication time to deposit in the airway. Or fix the mask. Hold the medicine chamber in an upright position. Continue this process for 10 to 15 minutes. It will prevent spilling and promotes better nebulization. The change in the voice of nebulizer is an indicator that medicine is finished now. Now turn off the nebulizer. Care and cleaning of nebulizer. Take apart the nebulizer. If medicine remains in medicine chamber, drain it. Wash all parts except tubing in liquid soap and water. Rinse all the parts with water. After washing, shake off any excess water. Reattach the nebulizer pieces and tubing to the air compressor and turn on the compressor to dry the nebulizer quickly. Make sure the nebulizer is completely dry before storing the nebulizer. To disinfect and sterilize your nebulizer, two methods are recommended, either in boiling water or by adding vinegar in the water. We will use vinegar and water. Add vinegar in water. Soak all parts of the nebulizer except tubing in a solution of 1 part distilled white vinegar and 3 parts hot water. Remove the parts from vinegar solution and rinse them in water. Shake off any excess water. After drying all the parts, now you can store your nebulizer at clean and safe place. Tips for effective nebulization. While nebulizing, sit in a well-supported chair with a neutral lumbar spine. In this posture, maximum medicine can be inhaled. Particularly, the younger child should be nebulized while sitting straight in lap. It's better not to nebulize while sleeping. Don't loosen the face mask again and again. It may cause irritation in eyes. To avoid the chances of contamination, always use unit dose vial, not multi-dose vial. Distract yourself by watching TV or listening to music. Set up an activity to occupy young children during the nebulizing treatment. Puzzles, books, or coloring may help the child to sit still for the length of the treatment. This information is shared by KZ Pharmaceutical, leaders in the nebulizing solution market.